happy day world. Welcome to the Porena in Croatia. And for today's video, guys, I'm going to have a shout out video. So first and foremost, Ate Jess. Ate Jess vlog. Thanks, Ate Jess Kitchenette, guys. Please do follow her. And then Lucky Princess. Princess, thank you. Thank you, Princess Freya. Shout out to Princess Freya vlog. Thank you. Salamat. Yung anak ko. So, papunta na kami ng church, guys, because it's Sunday. Sunday is obligation church. So, ayan ang kiat na kong anak, guys. Very kiat. So, ginoo ko, guys. Very kiat to. Haglingkuran ako. So, shout out po sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat sa nag-support sa akin. Thank you so much. So, ayan, nag-grasshopper down. And then, sino pa ba kung nakalimutan? Next time, i-ano ko. Magdadala na akong listahan kasi ano to, wala akong plano ngayon na magva-vlog. So, since nakaayos tayo, para presentable naman yung mukha natin na atubang. So, mag-atubang sa ating camera. So, thank you. The Porena in Croatia vlog. For more video update, please ring the bell button for more upcoming videos. And please do like, share, and subscribe. Comment and share. So we arrive in the church around. So hindi kami late ngayon. Tingnan niyo yung oras. Quarter. So ito yung cathedral. Angela, galing kami dyan. Dyan kami nagpahatid ni tatay. Ito dito. Nagpahatid kami. So ayan. Pasok na kami. Coffee shop. So let's go. So, ayan, try natin magkuha. Kasi pwede naman mag-video and take pictures. The bar done. And then, pwede naman, basta lang, hindi pa sa... Tingnan mo si Angela, meron talaga siyang respect sa nag-pictorial. So, since meron pa nag-picture, okay, go now, Moshe. So, ito guys, ang makikita nyo. Go inside. Angela? Okay, you take picture after. Okay, go. Turn off that. Yeah. Let's go. Mass is ended. Huh? My God, latno eh. So, mass is ended. So, this is the view. Kami sa way ng aming old. So, ingon ko nga way ice cream. Ayun, ice cream. Yan dyan. Shtaima? Oh, dito. Tini proday. Ha? Ani. Angela, purple, yes, okay? Sandam. Purple again, lavender? Neosh. Yes, purple pizza. Tata, come on, Tata. Tata, check mail in the house. Daddy, I get the ice cream. So, ganito yung sauce, oy. Ayaw ko pa siya pakainin ng ice cream dahil hindi pa kumakain. Pero, ayun na. Pizza purple, paonda. Angela, braci mo ode. So ito yung market. So we go now to the market. This is our favorite pizza house. Ayan guys, market. So we gonna eat. We dine out sa dinner. Ha? Pizza di Buffalo? So yan yung mga pizza dyan sa market. So there are a lot, beef salata, beef leg niya. The same place. Ooh, that's in Zagreb. So we are now in the market. Tata, you here? Angela, where you sit down?
Mama, girl, soup. Quadway.
Why?
Today I go to Quadway.
The?
And Mama and Angela and Tata stayed.
Ah, yes. Last time you cry.
And I go Mama's school. Go to
Okay, okay. Guys, dito na kami sa market. So, mag-dine out kami. Mag-dinner kami. Gutom. After mass. Bakit kaya after mass gutom, no? After mass gutomin ka talaga. Ano ba yung mga ebanghelyo sa pare? Nakakagutom kasi hindi mo mag-get. So, kailangan maintindihin yan yung mga salmo-salmo dito. At saka yung mga first reading, second reading. At saka yung mga prayer. Yung mga Our Father. Iba dito, guys. Dahil hindi to English country. So, Croatian. So, ayun talaga. Manusbid talaga tayo dito sa language nila. Yan si Tata. Angela. So, ganito si Angela kakiat, guys. So, ayan ang aking mungkoy. So, ganito siya. Basta summer, kami na lang. So, every summer dito kami. Tapos, puno dito. Minsan doon kami sa labas. Ayan. So, mayroong isang pamilya dyan. Yes. So, may isang pamilya. Tapos, kami rito. So, dito talaga yung area namin. Tapos, ayan, may kanso. Ah, that's true, girl. Riva. That's the Riva. Okver. Ano? Broad. Buddha. Ano eh? Ito eh. More. This one is to. So, it's so nice. Ang gaganda na mga paint. Tata, this is expensive paint. Yes. So, that's it. So, every summer, this is full. Tata. Nini, dirat. Nana siya kakiat, guys. Oh. Si Pata Buyag. Nagto siya picturean siya nako. Come. Sarap. Nana siya kasipat. Inana siya kasipat. Makapiright sa tani itong music. Oh, kasi kay music. Angela, tamo. Oh, hoshish, ode. Sis. Okay. Da, ode. Samo jače. Hvala.
Hoće on maknuti ovaj?
Ne, samo jače ode. Ovako. Hvala. Eko, samo majoneza. A ne, to je... Ne, to je... Voliš li? Okay.
I will change.
Okay, you change. I know you like that.
Or no.
Because that one is margarita, yours. And mine is like... Okay, this is... You all the time order this. Here's Angela now, guys. So, mine is the ham. So, half na lang, guys. Dahil nag-exchange kami ni Tata. Half dyan sa kanya. Dahil binigay namin kay Big. So, half-half. Ito ang kanilang salad. Croatian salad. Ayan. So, let's eat. Yum. Where's the other color? So, we finish our dinner. We go now sa Angela magbili ng ice cream, guys. Dahil di yan siya pwedeng pumunta dito sa town na di siya makakain ng ice cream. So, bili tayo ng ice cream. Okay, you find that you eat, okay? Not that you don't eat. Which one? The green apple? Stretch it. What? Yabuka? First, you said lavender.
This?
Yeah, she said that one.
Jabuka.
Apple. Okay, yabuka. So, yan, happy ng aking mungkoye. Yabuki. Dress is dobro. Let's go now. We go home now. So, ganito yung town. Angela, dress. I know you don't eat that. Give that to Tata. I don't eat that. No diet now. I know. That's not everyday. Pazi na! Pazi! So, malamig na dito dahil autumn na. So, yung mga tao nang yugpos na, naka-jacket na, or naka-long sleeve, sweater. So, meron pa rin mga tourists. So, ayun, balik na kami sa cathedral. After namin mag-ice cream at mag-dinner. Ayan. Yan na, going home. Dito guys, masarap din yung ice cream nila dyan. Ito yung beside sa main road. So, masarap ang ice cream dito. Yan, gibobo na si Angela's ice cream. Yeah. Ito mga coffee to go. Gibobo na, pero nag-ice cream gyapon, no? Apple ice cream.
Apple! Yay! Yippee!
Yippee! Dito na kami sa exit and entrance. Daan na yan. Nenet! Wala ko lang, dagan-dagan ko na siya. Amahan o magbukod yun ang amahan. So waiting kami sa... Tingnan nyo si Angela. Bumili ng ice cream. Ayaw niyang ubusin. Napakalamig. Ako yung nag-ubos. Oh. Alangan mailabay. 2 euro. My God, ice cream dito guys is 2 euro. So, ganito pag autumn na, wala ng tourist. So, ganito yung tourist, ay ganito yung Kruger Town. Tingnan nyo.
I can't feel it.
Yes, you can.
Daddy. 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 Daddy.
Pasi, bicycle. Pasi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mag-pool dancer man ni Angela. Mag-pool dancer, oh.